Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 31 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 31 says prove that root 3 is an irrational number. To start with, let us assume that root 3 is rational, which implies that root 3 can be written in p by q form, where p and q are integers. P and Q are coprime. The meaning of coprime is there are no common factors other than 1. Therefore, root 3 is equal to P upon Q. Squaring both the sides, we get 3 equal to P square by Q square. P square is equal to 3 times Q square. Let this be equation 1. From here, we understand that 3 divides P square, which means 3 divides P also. In that case, let's say P is 3 times K. Squaring this, we get P square is equal to 3K the whole square, which is 9K square. Let this be equation 2. Substituting 2 in 1, we get 3Q square is equal to 9K square. That is, Q square is equal to 3K square. From this statement, we can infer that 3 divides Q square, which implies that 3 divides Q also. Putting these two results together, we can say that 3 divides P and Q, which implies that 3 is a factor of both P and Q. Our assumption is P and Q are coprime, but in the process of proving, we have landed up with a statement that 3 is another factor other than 1. Therefore, P and Q are not coprime. Therefore, our assumption that root 3 is rational is wrong. Therefore, root 3 is irrational. Hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.